Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn. In this tutorial, we will see how to do animations for images in Android Studio. For that, we will start with a new project. Click on File, then select a new, then select New Project. So if you want to see the interface of Android Studio, I will provide iCard. You can check from there. Now select empty activity, then click on Next. Give application name. I will give as image animation. Package name, it is not required now. If you want to see how to start new project, I will provide a video in the iCard. You can check from there. So minimum API level, I will select 20. If you select 20, you can run on approximately 94.1% of devices. Then click on finish. Loading project, please wait a while to complete this. Now project is loading. Here Gradle build is running, so please wait while. Here you can observe Gradle sync finished in 1 minute. So after that, select this activity underscore main.xml file. So select split to get a code and design. If you get any error like unresolved class main activity, so rebuild project to resolve the error. After rebuilding also you are getting the same error. For that, go to file, expand it, then select invalidate caches and restart. Then select it, invalidate and restart. Our Android Studio will close. We need to start it again. After doing invalidate caches and restart, you won't get any error unresolved class main activity. Now delete this constant layout. Add linear layout. Now delete this text. Now here in linear layout, we need to add gravity. Only gravity. Delete this layout. Gravity to center. The orientation vertical. Now we need to add image view and button. Add image view and height and width. Copy this to height and width. So give width as a 100 dp. Then height also 100 dp. Now give ID for that. Android ID is equals to @ID. Okay. Image view. Now source for that and Android source src is equals to the data bitmap /ic underscore launcher uncher. Here you can observe image like Android symbol. If you want to change it, so go to app, right click, then select new, select image asset, select it. Here we need to select image. inside desktop logo, select it, and if you want to crop, yes. Okay, time to learn. If you want to add background, go here, then color to white. Okay, then click on next, then click on finish. Now you can observe that the image was changed here. Now close that image view. Now add a button. Width for that button is Android layout underscore width is equals to wrap content wrap underscore content and height layout underscore height is equals to, it's also wrap content. Now id equals to dot id button. Okay, now close it. Now we need to create one animation folder. So right click on res folder, then click on new, then select directory name anim, enter. Now expand this res folder, then select animation folder, then create a new animation resource file and rotate name, then click on OK. Here inside this set we need to give rotate Android duration is equals to 600 milliseconds. Now we need to add from degree, so Android from degrees is equals to 0. If you want to rotate in counterclockwise, here you need to give 360. So I am rotate in clockwise, so I am giving 0. Same 2 degree Android 2 degree 2 degrees we need to give 360. Then pivot y and pivot x. Android pivot x is equals to 50%. Then Android pivot y is equals to 50%. Now we will add repeat count and repeat mode. So now we will add repeat count. Repeat count is equals to 2 times. Then repeat mode here we need to give capital M is equals to restart. Now close it. Now write Java code. So open Java code. Here define image view on button and animation. So image view iv image view semicolon, then button btn, semicolon, that animation, let's do animation, semicolon. Here inside this onCreate method, image view is equals to find view by id or dot id dot image view, semicolon, then button btn is equals to find view by id or dot id dot button. Next, if you click on button, so btn dot set on click listener, new on click listener, new view on click listener. Okay, here we need to give our animation is equals to animation utils data load animation get application context. Here we need to give the file which we created, the .xml file, or dot anim dot rotate. So after that, semicolon, we need to give rotation for the image, so image view dot start animation. Now run our application. So I am running in mobile phone. If you want to see how to run in mobile phone, I will provide iCard. You can see from there. So my device is Vivo 1920. So click on this play icon to run application. Gradle build is running. Please wait a while to complete that. Here you can observe that Gradle build finished in 2 minutes 48 seconds. So here you can observe that button. If you click on this button, our image is rotating. You can also define the count of rotation. Like this, we need to do rotate animation in Android Studio. Thank you friends. If you like it, please do subscribe and share with your friends.